The history of Binance, which was once the unrivaled leader in the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, is a story of aspiration, quick expansion, struggles with regulatory authorities, and ultimately falls from prominence. The cryptocurrency exchange Binance, which was established in 2017 by Changpeng Zhou, also known as CZ, has rapidly grown from a little startup to become one of the largest and most influential cryptocurrency platforms in the world. To what extent did this astonishing rise come about? The question is, how did the exchange, which was once thought to be unbeatable, end up experiencing such a drastic decline? The journey that Binance has taken began with a vision: to establish a platform that would enable individuals to trade cryptocurrencies in a rapid and easy manner, while still charging cheap fees. It was during a period in which the cryptocurrency industry was seeing a surge in popularity that this idea struck a chord. Multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, were achieving new heights, which attracted a large number of investors and traders. In a short amount of time, Binance was able to capitalize on the market demand thanks to its straightforward yet effective trading approach. Nevertheless, this spectacular ascent was accompanied by mounting concerns about the situation. Additionally, Binance was frequently attacked for operating in places with low governmental control, despite the fact that it was fast expanding. A great number of people viewed the method taken by the corporation as a double-edged sword because it allowed the company to develop unfettered, but at the expense of drawing the attention of governments and authorities. As the cryptocurrency market experienced a surge in activity, the scrutiny of worldwide authorities also increased. Binance continues to expand in spite of the increasing amount of pressure, and CZ reaffirmed his commitment to his ideology of promoting the widespread use of cryptocurrencies for financial transactions. The cryptocurrency exchange Binance has expanded its platform, with a particular emphasis on its decentralized offerings, and has positioned itself as a champion for financial independence and decentralization. On the other hand, the regulatory problems did not go away. At the same time as Binance was making progress, an increasing number of countries started to monitor its every action. There were allegations that Binance's operations were involved in the facilitation of illegal financial activities, and the company's failure to fully comply with local legislation began to catch up with it. Curious about what's next? Don't go anywhere. We've lined up some intriguing revelations that will keep you on the edge of your seat. By 2022, the storm had become more intense. Binance is being investigated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and other authorities for its role in the trading of unregistered securities and for its compliance with financial regulations in the United States. The investigation conducted by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, also brought up concerns regarding the manner in which the exchange deals with derivatives trading. The legal issues that the company was facing became more severe, which led many people to question whether or not Binance could continue its operations despite the increasing amount of pressure. Binance may have overestimated its capacity to negotiate the ever-changing regulatory framework, or it may have been fully prepared for the response from regulators. In the event that the company's key markets were suddenly cut off, what would the consequences be? At the end of the year 2023, the legal issues reached their climax. By permitting investors from the United States to trade unregistered securities on its platform, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has launched a complaint saying that Binance has violated securities laws. Binance suffered a significant setback as a result of the allegations, which marked the beginning of the company's public fall from grace. But it wasn't simply the legal challenges that started to eat away at Binance's popularity. It was also the lack of trust among users and investors that started to make it less trustworthy. there was a growing concern about the future of the platform as regulatory crackdowns became more severe. The harm to Binance's image was irreparable, despite the company's efforts to resolve the regulatory issues by forming partnerships with local governments, improving compliance programs, and restructuring its operations to comply with new legal standards. In the end, the trust that had been built up over the course of many years was lost, and the future of the organization remained uncertain. By the year 2024, Binance has become a pale imitation of its true self. It was formerly the most successful cryptocurrency exchange on a global scale, but it was currently having trouble regaining its market position after being subjected to a barrage of legal challenges and regulatory restraints. The once invincible kingdom that CZ had constructed for himself had fallen apart. The story of Binance serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of unbridled expansion, the complexity of functioning in a regulatory environment that is constantly changing, and the careful balance that must be maintained between innovation and compliance. If Binance were to fall, would it ever be able to rebound, or was its fate unchangeable? It is possible that CZ was overly intent on growing Binance's reach to the point that they ignored the very restrictions that may have protected the company's long-term prosperity. It is still unclear what the future holds for Binance, but the lessons that can be learned from its history are applicable to the whole cryptocurrency sector. What happens when a cryptocurrency monarch is suddenly confronted with the weight of regulation? And is it possible for any platform to fully prosper in a climate where the rules are still being written? Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.